Welcome to our Gmail tutorial. Today, we'll show you how to send an email to multiple people efficiently. First, log into your Gmail account. Make sure you're on the home page. Now, click on the Compose button in the upper left corner to start a new email. In the field, start typing the email addresses of your recipients. You can separate them with commas. You can also use the CC and BCC fields for additional recipients. CC shows everyone, while BCC keeps it private. Once you're done, write your message and hit send. That's it. Your email is on its way. Always double-check the addresses you entered. Ensure they are correct for successful delivery. Consider using groups in Gmail contacts for easier management for future emails. For larger distributions, use the Mail Merge feature to personalize greetings. Remember, use BCC to protect recipient privacy when sending to many people. That's it. You're ready to send emails like a pro. Happy emailing! Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more Gmail tips and tricks.